So after playing on Kaboo for 2 days, we're gonna get down to business today and clean it. And it's been a challenge, but I've developed a new system, and I think it's gonna be really good and speed up the boat cleaning process. So right there I have the scrubby butt brush and a bucket of marine soap, and this is my new invention. They're actually mints for hands, but I decided to put them on my feet and hopefully speed up the cleaning process. Let's see, just get a nice, aha, look at that, look at that. Let's find a dirty spot. All right there, that's where the bird's been moving. Alright, I think I'm happy with these results. Look at that! Like, I can put a lot more pressure with my feet than my hands. Look how dirty. These are pretty dirty too. Gotta be careful with this, not put too much pressure. We'll get that with some better cleaner, but right now, just getting the dirt off. Yeah, I think I like this. Let's find another really dirty spot. Well, over here by the anchor chain, since we anchored out yesterday, got a little bit of dirt in here. Oh my gosh, look at those results. I think I'm onto something. Maybe I'll just start wearing these around the house. Huh, this is amazing. Yeah, well, there you have it, folks. This is definitely an improvement.